A website to generate completely free hashtags for Instagram is what we're going to talk in this particular video about. That's right, a free tool to generate completely free hashtags for Instagram. The tool that I'm talking about is displaypurposes.com. Display purposes hashtag tool tutorial is this. Basically, there is no video that has made, there is no video on YouTube that has explained this particular awesome tool. Displaypurposes.com is basically a way to go tool, especially if you do not want to get into the hashtag research and you just want to click a particular picture and upload it on Instagram without getting into fuss of the hashtag research. I'm going to show you how do you go ahead and use the display purposes Instagram tool, and this is the basic tutorial for that. Alright, so here we are on the mobile screen. The URL you need to go, of course, it's displaypurposes.com. The best part about this particular tool is that it's completely free, though it links with some other tool over here which is a paid one, but you don't have to go for that one. The way it works is very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and search for, let's say, Instagram marketing, and it's going to go ahead and filter out your hashtags based on the number. It's basically going to recommend you these particular hashtags, and then it also gives you the copy, auto and manual mode. Basically, you can go ahead and select the hashtags that you want manually to copy, or you can just go ahead and auto put it on auto section and then copy the particular hashtags. The best part is it's going to remove the banned hashtags on Instagram, or the the hashtags that are not relevant for your the hashtags that are not relevant for your particular profile. It's going to remove those particular hashtags, and the coolest thing is it's also giving you the search volume, and based on the optimization that these particular hashtags, how much is the optimization available for this particular hashtags, is what this particular tool is going to explain you about. Once you go ahead, this is just a tool I wanted to share with you guys, because there are a lot of times that I do not personally want to get into the hashtag research in terms of uploading a particular picture of mine. I just like to click sometimes, and I just want the 30 hashtags to just someone to give me in the hand, and I just want to paste it. So this is one way to go, go-to tool for me. I always use this particular tool, and if you say the comparison between TagMe and this one, it's pretty much more or less the same. If you don't know what is TagMe is another Instagram hashtag tool that I have made a video about. If you haven't checked that particular video, I'm gonna link it somewhere at the end of this video or on this particular I button. You can go ahead and check it out. But more or less, this was the tool about display purposes, and this is a very cool tool. As I said, the scanning profile thing, it's basically a paid thing. If you want to go ahead and scan your profile, you are gonna have to go ahead and pay for that option. For instance, I'm just gonna show you what exactly that does. So this is my Instagram handle, and I'm gonna go ahead and scan the profile. It should either take me to yes. So this basically takes you to a different tool altogether, that is IQ hashtags, and it says that profile added, register to view data. So I tried this particular thing, but however, honestly speaking, it came across as a spam to me, because even if I registered for that particular thing, it just made something different, and just made a haywire kind of a thing. So I would not recommend you to go for that particular tool. It's a paid one plus, so how many people are gonna pay for that? And trust me, it is not required. But this was a tool for this is a go-to tool for me if I just want to go ahead and paste the hashtags on Instagram, and it's a completely free online tool to generate fully free hashtags for Instagram. I hope you like this particular video, and if you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I keep on making such kind of videos on a weekly basis, and whenever you guys subscribe, it's a motivation factor to create more and more such kind of useful videos.